Hi. This is Keel's Garage. Hey there. Are you ready to discover the world's top 5 best dash cameras for both front and rear views? Today, I'm going to show you the ultimate lineup of cutting-edge technology designed to keep you safe on the road. Whether you're a seasoned driver or just getting started, having a reliable dash camera can make all the difference. From crystal clear HD footage to advanced safety features, these cameras are a must-have for any vehicle. Join me as we explore each one in detail and find out which dash camera suits your needs best. Stay tuned till the end, and don't forget to check the links in the description below for more information. So, let's dive right in. Check the link in the description below. Number 1. Vantru N4 3-channel dash cam, the pinnacle of safety and surveillance for your vehicle. Designed for the utmost in comprehensive monitoring, it features 3 cameras, a 4K front camera capturing detailed road views, a 1080p rear camera for pristine rear-end recording, and a 1440p inside camera ensuring complete interior coverage. Whether you're looking to capture crucial details like license plates or monitor passenger activity, the N4 excels with its high-resolution capabilities and expansive field of view. Equipped with advanced features like infrared night vision and a supercapacitor for reliable performance in extreme temperatures, this dashcam guarantees clear footage day or night. The 24-hour parking mode ensures continuous monitoring of your vehicle, triggered by motion or collision events, providing peace of mind even when you're away. Its intuitive design includes loop recording, G-sensor technology for automatic file locking during emergencies, and easy installation in most vehicles with included cables. Perfect for rideshare drivers and personal vehicle owners alike, the Vantru N4 stands out as the best dash camera front and rear, offering unmatched versatility, durability, and support. Backed by an 18-month warranty and responsive customer service, it not only ensures your safety on the road but also provides ongoing updates to enhance its functionality. Discover why the Vantru N4 is the ideal choice for safeguarding your journeys with its robust features and exceptional performance. Number 2. Tulia Dashcam Front and Rear, the ultimate companion for your vehicle's safety and security. Boasting a high-definition 2K front camera alongside dual 1080p cameras for rear and interior views, this 3-channel dash cam ensures comprehensive coverage of your driving environment. Equipped with WDR technology, it intelligently adjusts light levels to deliver clear visuals in both bright and low-light conditions, ensuring every detail is captured crisply. The included 64GB microSD card supports seamless loop recording, automatically overwriting older footage to maximize storage efficiency. One of its standout features is the accident lock function, which detects sudden impacts and protects critical footage from being overwritten, providing essential evidence in the event of incidents. Utilizing built-in Wi-Fi and a dedicated app for Android and iOS, this dashcam allows easy access to footage for playback, management, and even editing directly from your smartphone. Sharing memorable moments or crucial recordings with family and friends is effortless, thanks to its user-friendly interface and one-click sharing functionality. Installation is a breeze with detailed instructions and video guides, ensuring even first-time users can set it up hassle-free. Backed by a solid 12-month warranty and responsive customer support, Tulia ensures peace of mind long after purchase. Whether you're navigating daily commutes or unexpected events on the road, the Tulia Dashcam Front and Rear proves to be an essential tool for enhancing safety and capturing every moment with clarity and reliability. Ideal for anyone seeking the best dash camera front and rear, this device seamlessly blends advanced features with user-friendly design for an unparalleled driving experience. Number 3. Rideshare F7 NP Dashcam, a standout choice in the realm of dual dash cameras for its impressive features and performance. Offering 4K Ultra HD resolution for front recording paired with 1080p Full HD for the rear, it ensures crystal clear video quality that captures even the smallest details like road signs and license plates. With a wide 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear angle, it minimizes blind spots, providing crucial evidence in unexpected situations such as accidents. Its exceptional night vision capabilities, thanks to an f1.5 aperture and HDR/WDR technology, ensure clear footage even in low-light conditions, maintaining visibility of key details. What sets the Rideshare F7 NP apart is its seamless integration with smartphones via Wi-Fi and the dedicated Rideshare app. This allows users to conveniently view, playback, and manage recordings directly on their iOS or Android devices. Editing and sharing memorable travel moments with friends and family becomes effortless with just a few taps. Moreover, the built-in GPS records driving routes, real-time speed, and location data, accessible via the app or Rideshare's GPS player on Windows and Mac. This feature not only enhances user convenience but also provides additional critical evidence in case of accidents. Backed by an 18-month warranty and 24/7 technical support, Rideshare ensures complete customer satisfaction and support. The F7NP dashcam stands out as a reliable choice for those seeking the best dash camera front and rear, combining advanced features like 4K recording, robust night vision, seamless connectivity, and comprehensive GPS tracking. Whether for daily commutes or long road trips, this dashcam offers peace of mind and unparalleled reliability, making it an excellent investment for any vehicle. Number 4. Aerophase Dashcam Front and Rear 2K plus 1080p, the pinnacle of reliability and innovation in dual dash cameras. This upgraded model now includes a complimentary 64GB SD card, ensuring you're ready to record right out of the box. Capture every detail with stunning clarity. Its 2K plus 1080p front and rear cameras provide expansive coverage, perfect for monitoring both the road ahead, 160 degrees, and behind, 150 degrees. For unparalleled clarity during the day or night, the single front 4K Ultra HD 2160p camera delivers crisp visuals of license plates and road signs, supported by advanced GC CMOS technology and a wide-angle lens. Managing your footage is effortless with built-in 2.4G Wi-Fi and the intuitive Aerophase app, allowing seamless video streaming, downloading, and sharing to social media platforms directly from your smartphone. Its discreet design ensures minimal distraction while driving, easily mounting behind your rearview mirror. For comprehensive security, the 24-hour parking mode detects and records any incidents, while the G-sensor and loop recording features ensure no critical moment is missed, even under extreme conditions. With premium night vision capabilities, heat-resistant materials, and included 64GB SD card, the Aerophase dashcam sets the standard for safety and convenience. Ideal for anyone seeking the best dash camera front and rear, it combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, making it a must-have for safeguarding your journeys on the road. Number 5. Ombre DC42 Dual Dash Cam, your ultimate companion for comprehensive car surveillance. With front UHD 4K resolution and a wide 170 degrees angle lens, coupled with rear FHD 1080p clarity at 150 degrees, this camera ensures every detail on the road is captured with precision, from license plates to road signs. The advanced Super Night Vision technology, powered by the NT96670 chipset and GC4653 sensor, along with the wide dynamic range, WDR, and f1.8 aperture, guarantees clear footage even in low-light conditions, providing reliable coverage day or night. Equipped with built-in 5G Wi-Fi, dual-band, and GPS, the Ombre DC42 offers seamless connectivity and accurate location tracking. The free Cacom app enables easy control, playback, and sharing of videos directly from your smartphone, compatible with both iPhone and Android, enhancing user convenience on the go. The dashcam comes with a 64GB TF card pre-installed for immediate use and supports up to 512GB, formatted SD card required, ensuring ample storage for continuous loop recording without missing crucial footage. Safety features include a G-sensor for automatic collision detection and file locking, safeguarding important recordings in the event of an accident. The 24-hour parking mode, facilitated by a hardwire kit, sold separately, monitors your vehicle even when parked, offering peace of mind. With a robust design featuring a supercapacitor, ideal for extreme temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, the Ombre DC42 is built to withstand varying weather conditions, ensuring reliable performance year-round. Backed by a full 12-month warranty and 24/7 customer support, Ombre ensures you have complete satisfaction with your purchase. For those seeking the best dash camera front and rear, the Ombre DC42 stands out with its superior video quality, extensive features, and reliable functionality, making it an indispensable asset for any vehicle. In conclusion, choosing the best front and rear dash camera depends on your specific needs for safety and peace of mind while driving. Whether it's enhanced video quality, reliable parking surveillance, or seamless connectivity, each option offers unique features to suit different preferences. Remember, the ideal dash cam should prioritize clarity, reliability, and ease of use to effectively capture crucial moments on the road. We hope this guide has helped you narrow down your choices. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Like this video if you found it helpful, drop us a comment with your thoughts, and share it with others who might benefit. Drive safely.